Good morning, students. So just let's wait for 1 minute until our friends are joining. Manage, even though we say it's management accounting, I can or we can always feel it's management consultancy because we are not doing much accountancy here. We are doing mostly strategic consultation using financial and non-financial data. Okay. So Chaitra, one of the most weaknesses we generally see in the real life is the induction. Because Chaitra, whenever you join a company, they directly give you the job. They don't train you properly. They just train you for the task. You understand what I'm saying, Chaitra?
Yes.
They don't
Yes.
give you the industry insight or anything. They just train you. Now, if you see a good organization like Google or Virgin, they make you industry-based thinker because then only you can give solutions. Now, one of the most important thing that I'm going to today focus is on something known as strategy canvas. Strategy canvas. Okay. Now,
Okay.
strategic canvas is generally used by USA, but in Sri Lanka or in India or in all the third world countries, this is generally used by the businessmen in the market. But people don't know this, that they are using the strategic canvas. Now, Chaitra, if you look at Bangalore, just a basic example, when you go to the basic markets like Chickpet, Indiranagar, everything, you would have observed those people are generally doing a wonderful job in the business, commerce file, but they
Yes.
don't work like us on strategy formulation, anything. They only have two things in their mind: cash inflow and what? Cash outflow, if I'm not mistaken. Cash inflow and cash outflow. This is the both the things they have in their mind. So just get this point of view, students. Every strong business should have a strong cash inflow, strong cash outflow, because that's how you manage the business. So coming to the strategic canvas, students, let's develop a strategic canvas for Frinta so that students, you will be able to think properly when you're doing the case study questions. So strategic canvas for Frinta, just give me 1 minute, students. Let's work together. So I will just prepare the diagram for this so that it will be very clear for you. I'll just prepare the diagram so that it will be very clear for you. Okay, now this is only known as a strategic canvas. So let's work together. So the first thing, as a business, we need to always focus on revenue stream. Revenue stream, from where we are getting money. Because everyone knows without money, it's very difficult to survive a business because you need to have a revenue stream, a strong revenue stream. So I'm asking a question from our class. Students, can you tell me the revenue streams for Frinta? From where do we get money? What type of activities? Your finance managers? Yeah, I'm getting the answers. Export, very good. One revenue stream is export. I will keep it for the next one. But the main revenue stream is, I can be very specific here. The main revenue stream is export is one revenue stream, but the main revenue stream is sales of what, students? Sales of heating and ventilator controller. Heating and ventilator controller. That's the main income. What do you think, students? Yes or no? Direct sales. So one is sales of heating and ventilator controller, and this sales is the sales that has been taken place for how many years, students? 50 years. Okay, sales and heating and ventilator controller, which has gone for the period of 50 years. And then we have the sales of what, students? Sales of smart speakers. Correct? Sales of smart speakers. This is another type of sales we generally have. Smart speakers. Now, just to make it more interesting, students, smart speaker is segregated into the following. Students, can you tell me what are the following bases? One smart speaker, can you just tell me? I'll show you to you as well, so that you can see. We have three subcategories of smart speaker. One smart speaker is what, students? Frinta, 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 Friend. Frinta Friend is one, and that is classic, if I'm not mistaken. And the second one is what, students? Frinta, Frinta, Frinta Friend, Frinta Friend, and they have mentioned mini. And the last one is Frinta, Frinta Friend, Frinta's Friend. What, students? Screen. So these are the three major subcategories. And as Malit was stating, we have another revenue stream. That is the exports. So students, let's do the strategy mapping first, and then let's think about it. So these are the revenue streams we have at the moment. But one thing we observed, our competitor only in the smart speaker industry, YP Burn, is making more revenue than us by only selling the smart speakers. But we are making less, because the main reason is our strong establishment is for what, students? Sales of heating and ventilator controller, if I'm not mistaken. So students get the understanding of this very clearly and properly. So these are the revenue streams we are having. Now I have one question for the class. So what I can specifically do, the next question, what I can specifically do is very simple, students. It's very simple. I will ask you, can you tell me some new developments that we can make to improve our revenue stream? Your point of view, some new developments. Nishant, anything that you can think, a new development to increase our revenue stream?
We spoke about this.
Anyone? I can speak to Mr. Ravi Kumar if possible. So let's get the and move into alarm system. Very good. So let's write down that. That's a correct point. Thank you, Malit. So I'll write down the next one, move into alarm system, because I can completely agree on that. So I will specifically mention move into alarm system. 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 That is correct. I can say alarm system. That is smart alarm. But anyway, it's a second mover. I'll just put second mover. But still, just to keep our consumers within us, we can move into the alarm system as well. Move into an alarm system as well. Any other revenue streams that we can get, students? Any other revenue streams that we can get here? Any other revenue stream we can get here? One is correct, move into alarm system. Little think, students, little think and let me know. New retail channels, excellent own e-commerce channel. So I can generally write down here, another revenue stream is e-commerce. It is okay, it's a point given by the student. E-commerce, a website for trading, you can do that as well. That's a good point. A little bit more, red color is more important than the black color, students, because red is coming from your mind, black is from the present data. Think, students, think. You are the finance manager. Move into alarm system, e-commerce. Next one, can I ask you one thing, students? Can we give a franchise and agency status? Just asking, franchise and agency. Now, Malit, if you see, LG is franchised an agency of Abans, right? If you observe in Sri Lanka, Malit. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
now,
sir.
if you see, currently we do not have any franchise or agency for us on the revenue stream. We are directly selling like to the consumers using our referrals, example, construction providers, everything. So franchise and agency can make a bigger impact in this industry. And other than that, students, other than that, what we can do next, other than that, what we can do next, little thing, students, little thing outside the box, little thing outside the box. Can I ask another question that we can make money, from this business is what about business to business sales? Can we move on to the business to business sales? Because currently we are selling only for households. Can I ask that question? Business to business sales. Example for corporations. Can we focus on the corporation segment rather than only household segments? Yeah. Another one is improve the, I can say, small house ranges. Example, apartments. Now, apartments are generally compact size, no, students. Now, if you compare a small apartment, it's a compact size with another thing. So students, improve the small house ranges. That can improve another one, because business to business also we can move ahead. Improve the small house ranges is also highly possible. Okay, these are the revenue streams that we can generally develop. And students, we had royalty. Can you pay at patents? So we can improve our royalty income base, because we had a patent, student, for our innovative idea of the heating and controlling ventilators. So royalty income can be generally developed in that aspect as well. So are you clear with these factors, students? Because this is very, very important for your thought process. And another information that I need to say, that you should be always prepared for a diversification, not a product development, not a market development, a diversification. Example, students, for car and vehicles. Now, Malit, if you look at the vehicles, they have the AC and the heating controller, right? If I'm not mistaken, Malit. Now,
Yes,
if you see in the winter and the summertime, AC and the heating will be done. So can't we develop something like that to vehicles? Is it possible or not possible? Possible, right? So diversification, that's car and vehicle, and I can just say collaboration. We can become a collaborative product, because frankly, students, if you have experienced the winter, you will understand what I'm saying, because you need to have heat during the winter time, specifically in the car when you are driving, because it's very hard to travel in the car when it is extremely cold weather. So students, you get these points properly. So any questions you have, you can ask me, but this is not at the end. This is not the end. It can happen more and more, but these are just a point of view. I will just highlight this section of diversity so that it is very clear for you. Diversification. Now, students, revenue stream, we have successfully done, and we have also completed the possibilities as well. Now, students, coming back in this one, shall we work on the cost? Because students, cost is the next one. I can say here cost structure. If you say here cost structure, so cost structure, students, openly talking, the main cost that we have is product manufacturing cost, because we are generally having a product, what, students? Manufacturing cost. Because how many we have? One factory for what, students? One factory for heating and ventilator controller development. So one factory for heating and ventilator development, and the other factory what we have, students, if you do not mind, can you please tell me? That is for smart speaker. The other factory is for what, students? Smart speaker in the tech city. Okay, smart speaker. And we have one more thing, students, that is the research and development, because research and development also they have mentioned, but the research and development is very, very strong with the research and development for heating technology. The main problem I always say is, students, the main problem why heating is strong is Asma Kuwari is managing both, because Asma is originally strong person for the heating and ventilator, but Asma is not the strongest person for the smart technology. Malit, are you getting that point of view? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So one main cost factor is the production cost factor, but I will just write down the other factors as well, so that it will be very clear. Partnering with Branco, I will come to that point. That is not a cost structure, that is a later stakeholder analysis. So the next cost structure we do have is the marketing. the marketing cost, but I can say is referral payments, marketing cost for referral payments. We are not doing direct sales. It's only a referral type of marketing. So marketing cost is also mentioned there. Product manufacturing cost, marketing cost is again a major thing. R&D we have just mentioned there, students. So that is the research and development taking place. And then students, the next thing is if you see the other things, that is HR, everything is there. But coming here, students, coming here, this is the basic cost structure. So I will write down here administration overhead, because I'll just mention another cost structure we have is administration overhead functions. Now I have a practical question to the class. Now cost structure, can I ask one question, students? Cost structure, can we outsource? Is there a possibility of outsourcing the cost structure? Is there a possibility of outsourcing the cost structure, students? Possible or not possible, students? Yes or no? I'm asking that. Can we do an outsourcing of the cost structure? Yes. So students, can I write down here outsourcing? I'll write down here outsourcing of the cost structure. Outsourcing of what, students? Cost structure. It is highly possible, students. What about, can I say, robotic process automation? Can we have a robotic process automation? That means, can we develop machines doing the work on behalf of us? Because if you see, the manufacturing function is generally a function that can be standardized and processed. What do you think, student? Can we think about robotic process automation, RPA, inside our business function? 100% it is sure, students, because generally 50 years of operations and 50 years of same blueprint, we can generally upgrade to the RPA as well, students. Outsourcing of the cost, RPA is there. And the next thing is, can we partner with a digital marketing agent, students? Digital marketing agent, I think that is a good thing, because digital marketing generally nowadays, historical companies are doing by their own, but the good companies like Coca-Cola are generally partnering with a digital marketing agent, because digital marketing is completely a different journey, students. It's not like the classical marketing. It's completely a different type of marketing there, students. And another thing is, students, can we recruit a chief digital operator, digital officer, chief digital officer? Because students, when a company is transferring into digital platforms, we need to have a digital officer, students, because whatever said and done, Narendra Singhal is just the R&D. And even if you see Asma, they are not so strong with the digital function, if I'm not mistaken. So these are the basic cost structure, students, that the organization needs to consider here. So the cost must be managed and the revenue should be improved. And that's how the business will be going ahead. So Malik, just asking from you, are you getting the real entrepreneurship model? Take the revenue, take the cost. If the revenue is less than the cost, don't accept the business. If the cost is controlled and the revenue can be grown, then accept the business. Are you clear with that, Malik? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But I have one question, students. Now, in this, if you see the strategy canvas and Frinta, we have a very big risk. What is the big risk is, day by day, the updated version, that is the 2020 December revenue. If you see, students, day by day, the smart speakers are growing. The revenue growth of smart speaker is higher. So can I ask one question, Malik? Can we have a restructuring in the organization?
Yes, yes.
Now, Malik, example, you may be knowing a company called Honda. I'll give you a practical example. Now, when I say Honda, Honda is popular for what? Nishant, Honda is, what are they generally popular for, Nishant? Honda?
Motorcycle, sir?
Motorcycle, no. Honda is motorcycle. But now, Nishant, do you see a single motorcycle advertisement coming from Honda, or they are moving into automobiles?
They're moving into automobiles.
Automobiles, right? Now, students, if you see, they're moving into automobile. They have developed hybrid vehicles. If they could have developed a hybrid motorbike, 100% they could have developed, if they can develop a hybrid car, hybrid motorbike. But they clearly understood the scooter market is going up. So let's move into the motorbike car industry, because car industry is doing better than the bicycle motorbike industry, because day by day people are consuming more car than a motorbike. That's how they restructured their business, students. I believe everyone is getting that understanding of this very clearly, because this is how it changed. This is how it changed, students. The process completely changed from the motorcycle to car, motorcycle to car. So this is just a practical example I am saying. So we can anticipate, I can say as the management, we can anticipate a restructuring within our firm. So coming to the next one, students, now we need to check the customer base. Now this segment here, if you see, we need to just check the customer base. Now we have understood the basic idea of revenues, but the customer base is, the first customer base we have is households, if I'm not mistaken. We are not going into the corporate, we are just going into the households, and we are not going into small houses also. We are going into large houses as well. So household is our major customer base at the moment. Household is the major customer base at the moment. Other than that, we did not target any customer base. If you feel any customer base we have targeted other than the household, you can tell me. But if you are also agreeing that we are going with household, can I get in the Y in the chat box, students? Because I generally feel this was the major target. Nishant, one category, one classic example is Cadbury. Now, Nishant, if you see Cadbury chocolates, when we were small, Cadbury targeted the kids, right? Nishant, if I'm not mistaken, yes or no? But
Yes.
when we grow up, they are targeting the couples. Did you observe that, Nishant? Because
Yes.
the advertisements have completely changed. From kids, it has moved into couples. So mark my words, in the future, a long time ago, when these couples are becoming old, they will again transfer that, like children are giving them diabetes chocolate. You understand what I'm saying, Nishan? So that's how the process changed. So students, household is only thing that we have, but we survived with this for 50 years. That is the unique point we have. So the next thing I can say is the red color. So we can move into businesses. It can be SME, and SMEs, that means I'll make it small medium entity, because we can target the small medium entities, because this is a good target. And we can also go with the LSC, that is the large scale entities, because LSC also we can focus on large scale entities, small medium entities, large scale entities, business, small medium entities, large scale businesses. And also students, the customer base, again, what we generally focus, this is generally for both the products, business and LSE. And other customer base that we can generally consider, one is, I can say, automobiles. What do you think, students? Yes or no? Automobiles, because automobiles, can that come with smart technology? Now, Malit, if you have observed some car, you can make a call in a car, if I'm not mistaken, Malit, because they have developed that system. But in future, Malit, can this smart speaker technology come inside a vehicle?
Yes.
Yes, right. You can say switch on the lights. Automatically, the lights will switch on. A left signal, light signal. Like that, you can generally target it. Reverse gear. I think that will come in the future, students. Just for your understanding, automobiles, I can say smart technology, because this was not at all touched in the pre-seen material. Smart technology and IoT, that is Internet of Things, and heating and ventilator, students, because this is a very, very important area, because developed country, definitely they may have car, 100% sure, because in a developed country, 100% sure, their roads and the systems may be very, very strong. So these are the basic ideas of this. So automobiles is a very important thing for the heating controlling equipment. So students, any other customer base you have, you can let me know, students. But if you are fine with that, students, can I get a yes in the chat box, students? Thank you very much. So the next thing is, students, sales channel. We need to focus on our business sales channel. So customer sales channel is very important, students. So the sales channel is very easy this time. The sales channel is, I can say, we use the constructing companies or construction companies and also engineers and wholesalers for referrals, wholesalers for referral. So students, this is how we generally go ahead with the customer channel. So in future, students, can we have a website? Possible or not possible? Can we have our own website? Can I ask that, students? High chance, yeah, we can develop our own website. The second thing is e-commerce collaboration. Can we have a e-commerce collaboration? 100%, yeah, we can make a e-commerce collaboration as well. And then students, we can generally in simple language focus on the direct sales. Okay, so these are generally the sales channel we generally have. And the other things is, students, and the other things we have is customer activities. So I will write down here, students. The next one is customer activities. Now I am asking one question from the entire class. For the past 50 years, did they give after sales service? Did they give after sales service for the past years? That is my first question. Did they give any after sales service in the pre-scene material? After sales service? No. So indirectly, what they are stating, Malik, what is the meaning of that? If they are not having an after sales service till now, what they are indirectly saying, it's a world-class manufacturing. You get what I'm saying, Malik? It's a world-class manufacturing standard. World-class manufacturing standard. Example of a world-class manufacturing standard, what I can say openly is if you see Otis, there is a company called Otis. Students, have you heard a company called Otis, students? They manufacture lift, they manufacture escalators. So if you see this company, generally may have after sales service, but because of their robust manufacturing facilities they have, I think the after sales service will be less. Another classical example, I think finance students may know, there is a calculator brand called Casio. Malik, if you see, your Casio calculator will never break. Have you observed that, Malik?
Yes, sir.
Even if you break also, it won't break. So that is the quality of Casio. So students, that is known as world-class manufacturing students. So that is the power they have at the moment, the uniqueness. That means we have not seen a single customer complaint, because students, that's how it works out. That's what Japanese products are very strong, like Casio, everything, because it won't break, students, and you can use it for a long time. So that is one thing. So students, we are done with the customer relationship at the moment. So what are the new things that we can have is in the new pre-scene is customer reviews. Can you remember, Malik, our consumers, our competitor has customer review. Did you observe that, Malik? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, example, Malik, I told about Casio, but Casio has never done a customer review until now. Have you observed that, Malik? Yes, sir. People like you and me who has used Casio, we also observed it, but we did not feel it. Correct me if I'm wrong, Malik, because they did not brand it well. Agree, no, Malik? Because if you see a company where a calculator is being used for a long period of time without a single complaint, they will always promote it, right, Malik? Yes, sir.
Yes.
But here the customer review has not been considered as a, I can say in business we say as capturing residual value. Because capturing residual value is playing a major role, students. It's a very major role, residual value. So that has been completely ignored here, students. Customer review has been completely ignored. And the other thing is, students, in the future, another thing that we can develop is customer blog. What do you think, Malik? Yes or no? Can we have a customer blog? Example, if you see Apple, they have a customer blog. In case you are stuck with Apple devices, you just search in Google and see, it will direct you to a customer blog where one person will give how to use the product. Have experienced that, Malik? Just asking. Even Microsoft has that. So customer blogs can come into a picture. And another thing is customer review in YouTube. Can we have now customer review in YouTube, students? Because have you observed nowadays tech reviewers has come? Because if you want to buy a product, earlier we ask our friends, but now do we do that? We just go to the YouTube and we just see the tech review. And the tech review, if we'll see about 3 videos by 3 different people, we come to an idea this product is a good product or bad product. Are you understanding what I'm saying, students? So these tech review channels will play a major role in the Internet of Things in the future. There can be small, long things, but these are the things on a nutshell. Any questions you have, Malik?
No, sir.
Students, if you're fine with that, can I get a Y in the chat box so that we can go into the cost side? Thank you very much, students. Thank you very much, students. Okay, now coming to the cost side, it's right opposite. Customer base. Now here, customer opposite should be supplier. But in the new business environments, we don't say them suppliers, we say them as key partners. Because Malik, in the new world, we can't keep customers like old. Because now there needs to be a joint partnership, and the joint partnership is only Dronco. What do you think, Malik? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because Dronco is one of our key partners, because the apps, or I can say the technology, the smart switches they have are generally getting integrated. And another thing is, another key partner I can say is, now if you see students here, they have clearly mentioned that our organization has softwares and apps. Narendra Singh has mentioned here, Narendra Singhal. So if I say one thing, students, for your classical understanding, after this Dronco example, can I say one more thing that can be connected, that is very specific, that is the Play Store. Can we have a joint collaboration with the Play Store and the App Store? Because we need to have strong collaboration between these two people in order to get that. And the next thing is in future. So another key partner is our engineering network, if I'm not mistaken, engineering network. And also I can say here engineering network, and I can specifically say construction network, because we need to have a good understanding and networking between this in order to sell our product, students, because these are some products where customers don't directly go to the shop and buy. They refer to one person and buy that. That's how they generally do that. Example, Malik, if you see the drilling machine, Malik, the drilling machine, if a driller comes to our house, we need to buy whatever he asks only. Correct me if I'm right or wrong.
Yes.
He will say, I want this brand, and you give him the money, he goes and buy and come. So there is a commission. And I also did the research. These Mason bars has a commission in the shop. So whenever he takes 100 rupee from us, what happens is, in the shop, he pays in front of 100 rupee, but at the month end, he will be getting his commissions as well. You get the point what I'm saying, Malik?
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
so there is a networking there between these engineers and these things. So key partners are Dronco, Play Store, App Store, engineering network, and the construction network we generally have at the moment. And export students, I'm not sure. Export agents, I can generally say, because it was not given particularly who are their agents, but these are the basic idea. Okay, now students, the next thing I wanted to make sure is, after the key partners, the new things that we can develop, the new key partners can be online stores. What do you think, Malik? Yes or no? Because online stores can be our new key partners. Agree, no? And the other one is, I can say, online reviewers, because reviewers are also their students. Because students, many people don't know how to use, I can say, YouTube. Because YouTube has a lot of digital marketing. Because students, if you see, generally the strong YouTubers, okay, what they generally do is they have a control over the content. Some YouTubers, they just produce and go, but they have a control. So if you see these online reviewers, the strong one, they generally have a control on reviewing the products. So online stores, online reviewers. And then another thing I can generally specifically say is the ratings and I can say the referrals online, because that makes a lot of sense. So students, these are the key partnership that we can develop at the moment. And Malik, can I ask you one thing? Second-hand market, have we tapped the second-hand market? Just asking from you.
No, sir. No.
Second-hand market. So students, I will write down here in the revenue stream. It just came into my mind. Second-hand market. Students, do you believe that these items like heating, ventilators, all generally has a second-hand market as well? Second-hand market. In other words, I can say replacement market. replacement market. Generally, this organization should have a replacement market, because in developed country students, they don't throw. They generally reuse or recycle or repair. That is the 3R they use. They repair, they reuse or recycle, but they never throw, because they sustain the environment. So just remember the 3R. So I will just write it down, because reuse is one, and the other one is what, students? I told you is repair, because in those countries they repair, students, it's not lies. And the other one is they recycle. So these are the three major activities those they do in those region developed nations. So coming to the next one, students, I think key partners are also becoming very strong. And the other one is, students, the other one is we have to find out is the key resources that we use. So the key resources what we use is again very clear. The key resources what we have. So I can specifically say one is the factories. What do you think, Malik? Yes or no? Because do you think the factories are one of the key resources?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So factories plays as the key resources. So just a minute. Factories place the key resources. So after the factory, students, just to make it more clear, after the factories, the other key resources we have is R&D, because R&D is again one more key resource we generally have. So factories is one key resource. Then R&D, I'll just write down here R&D, research and development. Research and development. Research and development is one more thing. After research and development, key resources, factories, research and development. Then the next thing I can generally say, another key resource we generally have is the patents. What do you think, Malik? Yes or no? Because
Yes.
what happens is we are dominating the heating and ventilator industry, because we have patent. If you have patent, other people can't do that, if I'm not mistaken. So you have a control over that, students. You have a control over that. So I can generally say it's a hornet nest. It's a hornet nest, because you have some control. You have a patent and control. So it's not a lion's pride. Lion's pride is like a monopoly business. But in this case, it's a hornet nest, because there are substitutes as well. But here, our brand and the quality is very, very high. Malit, I will ask one more question to you, just basic question later. But are you clear with these key resources we have at the moment? I think that
Yes,
is.
sir.
So what are the new key resources we can have in the future is artificial intelligence. Can we have artificial intelligence in the future? Yes or no, Malik? Because artificial intelligence is nowadays essential for every bigger organization. Artificial intelligence can be a key resource. What about big data? Can we have big data, Malik? Yes or no? Agree or not agree? Because at the moment, no, but in future, yes. What do you think, Malik? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
All the paper documents, we can make it into a soft document or a soft copy document, and then we can do a data processing and again recollect all the data. So artificial intelligence, big data can be a key resource in the future. And then, students, can we have, now we have research and development, but an innovation team, can we have an innovation team, Malik? Yes or no? High possible, right? An innovation team, because smart technology, innovation plays a major role. Agree or not agree, Malik? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the next thing is, students, after the key activities, we need to focus on one more area called key activities. After resources, the key activities, what we do with the resources. So the key activities we generally have is, students, production. Correct, no, students? Production is a key activity. After production, another key activity we generally have is distribution through reputed dealers, reputed dealers. That's how we generally do it. We generally don't go directly. Reputed dealers, through reputed dealers. Distribution through reputed dealers, distribution through reputed dealers. So, and the other key activities we generally have is, I can say is product development using updated technologies, because we are not going for product innovation, we are going for product development using updated technologies. Example, Malit, if you see Samsung, whatever said and done, now only they developed that folding mobile phone, but for the past times they were just doing the product development using the updated technology. Do you agree with me, Malit? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And students, can you remember there was a company called Microsoft Internet Explorer? Now it has changed into Microsoft Edge. Now currently the platform what I'm using for the PDF viewing is Edge. It's a browser plus a PDF viewing app. I generally feel it is very light compared with Chrome. So that's how students in the technological market it goes. Sometimes you can be successful, sometimes you can end up as a failure. So students, these are the key product activities we have, but in the future, the key activities that we can have is digital marketing. What do you think, Malit? Yes or no? Because digital marketing plays a major role. After that, another key activity we can have is e-commerce. E-commerce can be another key activities. Another one we can have is something called, it's a unique thing called, I can say, customer internet of me. It is known as what, Malik? Internet of me. Internet of me is, students, internet of me is customer delivery. What is that, Malik? Customer delivery on the center, internet of me. Example, Malik, now if you go to a supermarket, what happens is you should stand in a queue. Agree, no, Malik? In a supermarket. But if you go to an online store, it's internet of me. That means you do not have that pressure to stand in a queue. You can buy the items, check out whenever you feel to pay the money. You get what I'm saying, Malik. That is internet of me. And the secondary example of internet of me is the online banking. Now, online banking, if you see, they are generally for you. But if you go to the physical bank, what happens is you should wait in the queue. So internet of me has become a new trend where the customer needs to get the priority. Example, I can say internet of me can have in future, I can say customized services. What do you think, Malik? Yes or no? Can we have customized services for the people? Example, security cameras. Agree or not agree? Security, because some consumers, now example, Malik, I'll give you a classic example is the software that I use here. That is the ESET Internet Security. Now, Malit, being very frank, when we were young, the antivirus softwares were common for everyone. Correct, no, Malit? Yes. Now, example for me, I don't have much transaction in online, heavy transaction. So I have managed it only what I need. Another classic example is Zoom. Now, I am generally using one account for myself, but there was a time it was very rigid that one account will never be given. You should minimum buy 10. Can you remember that, Malik?
Yes.
So that minimum order quantity can go to a customized service, because if you see in the pre-seen material, the last page, students, if you observe, you need to read this, the 3-star rating, because that's how business strategists see. There's a lot in the box, because we do not want a lot at the moment. What do you think, Malik? Yes or no? If you see the restaurant industry, the buffet system became more successful because people found a lot coming inside a lunch sheet. So they want a buffet system where they can get what they really expect. You understand what I'm saying there, Malik? Yes or no? So nowadays, there can be a situation where you can customize yourself. Being very honest to you, students, even personally, I have got some inquiries. Why can't we have only mock answers? You give, we study, and reduce the price. The thing is, students, this is a very development-oriented examination. I can do that, but the thing is, the point of view is students, it will confuse the thinking ability. So students get the understanding, these are the key activities. Now, students, as an entrepreneur, you have structured your revenue. You have structured what, students? You have structured your revenue. You have also structured your thought process as well. So the next thing what you need to do is you need to structure your value proposition, because that plays a major role. So I will just write down the next one here as value proposition. Now, how can you survive in the market? Because Malik, if you generally see, when there is huge competition in the market, survival makes a lot of sense. Agree or not agree, Malik? Yes or no?
Yes.
Survival plays a lot of sense. So the key strength in a survival is one is stories. What do you think, Malik? Yes or no? Because I told you, anyone can replicate your product, but no one can replicate your story. Makes sense or doesn't make sense, Malik? Yes or no? Because if you see, Pereira and Sons in Sri Lanka is still surviving with McDonald's. That itself is an achievement. What can we say, Malik? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Main
Sir.
reason is it is a story that is surviving. It's not the company that is surviving. And students, even if you see the bigger giants, Coca-Cola, they survive with their story. So many health concerns has come, but still the story plays a major role. You get what I'm saying there, Malik? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So value proposition plays a major role and the stories plays a major role. And after the story, students, the next thing I can specifically say, value proposition stories, and the other one I can specifically say is, uniqueness. Example, students, uniqueness is less customer complaints for 50 years. What do you think, Malik? Agree or not agree? Makes sense or doesn't make sense? Now, Malita, Sri Lankan Airways is a company that is always making a loss, but have they promoted that zero flight crash? Have you ever seen a Sri Lankan Airways flight crash until now for the past 70 years?
No, sir.
No. Nishant, have you seen a single flight crash of Sri Lankan Airways?
No, sir.
But did they ever continue that as a value proposition?
No, sir. Not
No, right? So
No.
the first thing a consumer in travel or any business wants is security. So next thing, can I write down here? Safety. Now, heating and ventilator controllers, can there be a shortage in current? Can there be a circuit shortage where it can cause a fire? Yes or no? But until now, for the past 50 years, has our company had a fire alarm or fire shortage until now, or a current shortage? No, right? So the next thing is we can have the safety as a value proposition, uniqueness, customer 50 years. And another thing is the plumber story, the story of our founder, the plumber story. That makes a lot of sense, students. Plumber story, the story of our founder, that is very important. So this value proposition plays a major role. Story, uniqueness, safety, plumber story, patent, that means they have the manufacturing rights. So all these are value proposition that have been mentioned at the moment, students. Value proposition that they have been mentioned at the moment. But in the future, students, what are the values that we can have is innovation. What do you think, students? Yes or no? Innovation can be a value proposition. And another value proposition can be, students, IoT developments. And can you remember, students, I gave you a small case study on Amazon Astro. So Amazon Astro, students can just go through that because there can be value proposition on that as well. So students, this is the, I can say, a structured strategy canvas of our business. This is the structured strategy canvas of our business. This is the structured strategy canvas of our business for your understanding, students. This is our structured strategy canvas. So students, what I wanted to say is, students, just get prepared of this, because I'll just minimize the size of this so that you will find it very easy. So I'll make it at number 8. Students, you must print out this paper. This is a compulsion that you must take a printout of this paper, because as a finance manager, you need to know how our business works out. Are you clear with that, students? Yes or no? Because this is how it goes ahead, students. This is how it goes ahead. So any questions you have, you can ask me, students, because this is a very, very fundamental knowledge that you need to keep in mind. Any feedbacks, anything that you like to give on the strategy canvas, you can give it to you. So just remember the business model and the future potentials of our business model. And remember the example of Casio. Malik, can I ask you one question? Have you seen for the past 30 years a single Casio advertisement?
No, sir.
No, right? No, right?
sir.
No. So still Casio is dominating the market Even with the development of smart calculators, because in mobile phone we have smart calculators coming out, but still Casio is dominating the calculator market. So just to get the point of view, students, but there can be disruptions coming in the future, but this is the basic idea. So can I get a Y in the chat box if this is fine for you, so that we can do a small analysis on the market structure as well, students? Market structure, because students, this is very important. If you are an entrepreneur in our class, if you are in a decision making position, do it for your own company and see, you will understand the secret of your business. Strategic invest is the secret of every business, students, and it's a concept driven by USA, but generally this is the business that is followed by the businessman, the modalali businesses, or I can say the sole trader business. They only have the cost, revenue, and the cost. You just see, that's it. I want to ask one question from students. Nishant, have you heard a hotel called Buhari Hotel in
Oh, yes,
Mardana?
sir.
It
Big
belongs
fan.
to whom?
Sorry?
It belongs to whom? Who are the owners of that?
Buhari owner is not sure. So didn't they pass away?
No, I'm asking, it belongs to Colombo Municipal Council. Are you aware about that, Nishant?
No, I did not know.
No. Malit, have you heard about Buhari Hotel Mardana?
Yes, sir. Yes.
It belongs to Colombo Municipal Council. It's owned by the government of Sri Lanka. It was donated by Indians to Sri Lanka, because it was started by Indians and they left Sri Lanka. So they gave it to the Sri Lankan government. But Nishant, did they do any promotion of anything on values to that? Stories, nothing, right? You understand what I'm saying, Nishant? Because that can be the next
I
thing
see.
if they do a correct valuations. So students get the idea of value proposition. Okay, coming to the next one, students, market structure. So students, market structure, this is very, very important as finance managers working in the UK, because students, we will definitely get a pricing question in the exam. So if you see the market structure, generally there are three types of market. One market we generally say is the competitive market. What market, students? Competitive market. One market is the competitive market. And the second market is generally known as the monopoly market. That anyone knows that. Monopoly market. Monopoly market. Competitive market. Monopoly market. The third market is generally known as, students, is known as oligopoly market. What market, students? Oligopoly market. Oligopoly market. Okay, so students, if you observe the competitive market, monopoly market, and the oligopoly market, what I can specifically say is, students, competitive market, a basic industry is stationery. Now, students, if you see stationery, you know, right, the maximum price of a pen. The maximum price of a pen can be 10 rupees, okay, 10 rupees to 20 rupees, correct? No, students. So that is competitive market. The price is, information is available. Information is available. Information is available. Information is available. Everyone is knowing this. So in this market, you will be surviving only with volume. You will be surviving only with what, students? Volume. And the other one is a monopoly market. Monopoly market is anyway, students, a controlled market. A controlled market where we can say it's a lion's pride. It's a lion's pride. So generally state organization falls in the monopoly. And I can say highly complex business like aeroplane manufacturing falls in the, I can say, the lion's pride business. And coming to the next one, students, the oligopoly market. Now coming to the oligopoly market, students, this market is based on differentiation. Based on what, students? Based on differentiation. Now I said the pen. Now if you see the stationery, a Parker pen is little expensive, okay? And coming to the Montblanc is also a pen, but it's a little bit expensive. The reason is, students, the reason is they have done the differentiation, branding. I can say the branding, everything. So you have substitute, but because of the branding. So as per my understanding at the moment, students, Frinta is currently in oligopoly market. Frinta is currently in what market, students? Oligopoly market. So oligopoly market, you will survive based on the differentiation and the branding only. Now, if you see, Apple is in an oligopoly market at the moment, but they are very strong in that mobile industry because of the market differentiation and the branding they have. So students, whenever you are thinking, please think in the oligopoly market when you are thinking on behalf of Frinta any development. because this is very much important. So coming to the next one, students, there is something called business ecosystem. So I'll write down here business ecosystem. This is the chapter 1 of E2. So business ecosystem. So before I move into the business ecosystem, are you clear with the market structure, students? If you are clear with the market structure, can I please get Y in the chat box, students? Any questions, any doubts you have, you can ask me. But if you are clear with that, you can put Y in the chat box, because the market structure is very important when we are thinking, students, because thinking plays a major role with how we are in the market. So business ecosystem, students, as you are already know, I'll just prepare it for you so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Low, high. So here I'll use the term low and high. This is just a matrix, students, so that you will get the understanding. Low, high. Okay, so one thing here is known as, I'll write down here, complexity. Complexity. And here, what I can specifically say, here is, I'll merge it and I will specifically say as orchestration. Orchestration. Okay, so here I will put as, I'll just merge it and I'll just keep it. So orchestration means how you are connected with your suppliers. Example, students, if you generally see the producers of rice, the crops, they are generally united. The OPEC, the oil and gas producers, their orchestration is very high. The GCC countries are very connected with each other. They are always close to each other. So coming here, students, complexity versus orchestration, what I can generally say is high complexity, high orchestration. High complexity, high orchestration. What I can specifically say is, okay, I can specifically say Lion's Pride business. Lion's Pride business is generally example like Airbus. Now, students, Airbus and Boeing's, what happens? Only these two can dominate the market because the complexity is high. You can't get the legal formalities done. Very, very highly complexity. The legal side is complexity. The unity of the players, the unions, I can say, the unity of the players is, I can say, the orchestration, unity of the players. Now, if you see the complexity is low, but the orchestration of the players is very high, that means unity of the players is very high. We generally say it's a wolf gang. Example, students, Coke and Pepsi. Coke and Pepsi it's a classic example of a wolf gang, because they don't have a price war. Because I can start a cola company, you can start a cola company, but Coke and Pepsi will never make you come up. That's the idea about that. And students, complexity is high, but the orchestration is very low. We say this as a hornet nest. We generally say this is a hornet nest. So hornet nest is generally, students, a basic idea of a hornet nest is, I can specifically say, is the universities. If you generally see, it's very difficult to start a university, but generally, students, the university industry, different universities are different from each other. They are not close to each other. So the legal form is high. Another thing is hospitals. Hospitals complexity is very high, but different hospitals have different business model. And coming to the next one, students, this is known as the Shark Tank. This is the most dangerous business ecosystem. There is no unity among the people. There is no control. And the basic example of this is farmers, the basic farmers, because they produce without a control and the government don't come to any role. So this is farmers, taxi drivers. If you generally see the taxi drivers, they generally form a business. There is no barriers to that. So students, this is the basic idea. So if you see the Lion's Pride business is generally a paradise for any business industry, because Lion's Pride business is the paradise. And I can say the hell is the Shark Tank, because this is the red area. So I'll just mention the Lion's Pride is like the blue ocean. Blue ocean means a very clean environment, but the Shark Tank is the bleeding environment. But if you see the Hornet Nest and the Wolfgang is a survival of the fittest model, but very, I can say, controlled environment of survival. So students, now coming to the application, what I can generally say here is Wolfgang is different, Hornet Nest is different. So I want to ask you a question that we are not at the Shark Tank. That is very clear. As Frinta, we are not in the Lion's Pride either, correct? But we are in somewhere between the Wolfgang and the Hornet Nest. But being very open, I can say Frinta is currently a Wolfgang for smart speakers. What do you think, students? Yes or no? For smart speakers, they are Wolfgang because there is no price war between YP Burn and Frinta. They are just unitedly working with each other. But when it comes to heating and ventilator, we are a Hornet Nest because we do have patents. What do you think, students? Yes or no? We have the legal form. We control legally with our patents. So here we have a Wolfgang industry for the smart speakers. And if you come to the application of ventilators, it is just a, I can say, Hornet Nest. So students, any questions you have, you can ask me. Malit, is it fine for you?
Yes, sir.
So Nishant, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir. Good examples.
So students, just remember one thing, we have two segments in two different enterprises. So be very clear when you are making decision. They can just confuse you all, but have that smartness in your mind. So one more thing, students, if your business ecosystem is fine, can I get a Y in the chat box, students? Can I get a Y in the chat box? Can I get a Y in the chat box? Thank you. Any doubts, anytime, please do let me know, students. This paper, you must take a printout, students. Paste it in your study desk because this is the entire summary for your thinking. So one thing, students, I just want to summarize the strategy canvas before anything. So coming to the strategy canvas, students, if you see the cost structure and the revenue structure, what I can specifically do in the cost structure and the revenue structure, I will color it with the green color. So the meaning of the green color means, I'll write down here, green stands for, so green is cash flow. Green is what, students? Cash flow. Because every business should identify how the cash flows are moving within the firm, inflow and outflow for a success of a business. So that is the flash flow. Green is the cash flow, students, for your understanding. After green, students, the next one here I can specifically say is who. If you see here, students, this is who is important, because I'll just color the students who, and I will just mention it in a blue color because who is the blue color in simple language. Who is the blue color? This blue color region is who. So I'll write down blue is the who. That is our target audience. Who? Target audience, because we need to have a target audience, students. Companies without target audience fail. Keep in mind. And the next one is, students, if you see here, the key partners and the key activities, what I can generally say is how. It is how, students. It is how. So I will just make it in a different color pen. I can make it I can say I'll go with the color of yellow. So yellow is how, because how are we satisfying the who is yellow. So how, that is our I can say the process. Our process is how. And students, this value proposition is the ultimate thing. We may have customers, we may have resources, we may have cash flows, but if we do not have the differentiation, we ultimately fail, students. So I will just make the differentiation in the point of red color. The red color is very essential. So I will again structure the red color, or I can make it in the light dark. So light dark. So dark area, the dark area is known as Y. why is the differentiation? Why do they need to come here? Everyone has their own reason, but this differentiation is why. So children, if you do not mind, can you just get the point of view? This is a very, very important. Cash flows are the green. First of all, budget is important. We need to know where are we, because money is the risk at the end of the day if you don't manage it properly. So we need to know the who and how and why. So students get the understanding. Who are we targeting? How are we targeting? And at the end, why are we getting a demand? That plays a major role. So students, any question and answer for today's class? Any question and answer for today's class? If you are fine with that, you can put Y in the chat box. A small announcement, students. The mock number 1 will be uploaded in 5 minutes time after the class. Okay. And the deadline for mock number 1 will be Monday, 5 o'clock. It will be mentioned in the portal. So it's a Word document based mock, not on a platform. Open mock, open book exam. You can use your books and write the answer. It's an open book exam. I'm just monitoring your thinking skill. If you don't know the answer, you can refer the book and write the answer. So students, I believe I'll do a one-to-one session now so that it will be easy. So Ahmed, any questions for the day?
No, sir.
Amrit, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Anstro, any questions for the day?
No, sir.
Thank you. The next person is SSR. I think it's Malik, if I'm not Mr. Mustaq. I think SSR MSc is Mustaq.
No, sir, I'm Shabnam.
Yes, Shabnam, any questions for the day?
No, sir, thank you.
Nishant, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Diana, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Chaitra, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Jude, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Kastura, any questions for the day? Malit, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Ravi Kumar, any questions for the day?
No, sir.
Vishnu, any questions for the day?
No, sir.
Yusuf, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
So students, compulsion request, take a printout and paste it in your table. So students, do the mock by Monday, 5 p.m. So thank you very much, students, for your time. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank you.